Deck Building 2025. Ready to get your deck built for 2025? Give us a call. That's the old deck. That's the new deck with a deck frame. Getting these pieces in. Got the concrete poured in. You get an inner look of deck framing. See right there where your concrete posts will go. Your concrete go, then you put your post in right there to hold it up. Plenty of support.